Hi there everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Mumparada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. As we continue our PERL programming series, in this tutorial video we will learn how to write a program using if-else statement in PERL that will ask the user age, and then our program will check if the given age by our user is considered already an adult or still a minor. Here in the Philippines and the United States, as far as I know, the legal age is already considered 18. When the child or the teenager reaches the 18 years old, he or she is already considered as an adult. In addition, here in the Philippines, the Commission of Elections, the government agency that caters us not to vote, will only allow anybody to vote as long you are a Filipino citizen by birth or by acquired if you are already 18 years old. So let's get started. Before we start, rather, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, share, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. So here we are here in our text editor. By the way guys, I'm using Microsoft Visual Studio Code. I find this text editor very useful and easy to write programs because there are so many functionalities that can be found, that you can see also in a commercial text editor. So highly recommended if you want to have a free and very productive text editor in your programming activities or project. So here we can start writing, let's say for example, sharp legal.pl. So the file name is legal.pl, legal age. Next, sharp author, yours truly, Jake. Let's save our work. Legal PL. Legal.pl is the file name and then the extension. So we have here PERL. Automatically we click the save button. Okay. In Visual Studio Code, it is already identified as PERL because there is a camel icon. So next we have here the date. Today is October 31, 2019. That is Thursday. Uh, 5:58 a.m. So here, print to new line, print, let's say for example \t. We have here the title, legal age determiner in PERL. This is the title of our program. Next, new line, print \t. What is your age? Our program. So we have here champ $age equals less than greater than semicolon if $age greater than or equal to 18, begin, print \t. Your given age is, you are already an adult. So it means that if the given age is above 18 or equal to 18, that person is considered already as an adult. Else, begin, print, double quotation, \t. What we will do is to copy this portion of the statement, copy, and then paste. Your given age, you are still a minor. Okay, so let us finishing this portion. Print, and then copy, paste, and then print, \t, end of program. That tells the user that the program is already done. Now before we test our code, let us discuss from line 1 to line 3. We have here the comment of our program, which contains the file name, the author, and then the date when the program is written. From line 6 to line 10, we have here new line and legal age determiner in PERL, the title of our program, and then it will ask the user to give the user age. From line 13 to 17, we are using if-else statement to check whether the given age by our user is considered already as an adult or still a minor. We have here a conditional statement. If $age greater than or equal to 18, if it is true, the user it is already an adult. If it is false, the else statement is executed. The user or the given age is still considered as a minor. End of the program. That tells the user that the program is already terminated, and then it will return to our operating system. In this case, I'm using Microsoft Windows 10 as my operating system. Okay, so let us test our program. We type PERL and then the file name legal.pl. Press the enter key. What is your legal age? I'm already 41 years old, so your given age is 41. You are already an adult. End of program. Let's run the program again, second time around. Let's say for example 12. So legal age determiner in PERL, what is your age? 12. Your given age is 12. You are still a minor. So we got it in our first run of our program. The program generates correct and accurate result. I hope that you have learned something new in this video tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, share, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomprada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.